Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to walk you through our audit procedures for user accounts, access levels, and administrative rights. Managing access to corporate resources is a fundamental aspect of our cybersecurity strategy. This process ensures that access is granted securely, reviewed periodically, and removed when no longer necessary. So let's dive into the details. At a high level, we will be covering the user account management, access level audits, administrative rights management, audit and compliance oversight, and we will conclude with any final thoughts and the next steps. To begin, user accounts are created through a formal request process. Managers must approve these requests, and IT verifies them before provisioning the accounts. This ensures that only authorized personnel gain access. When modifications are needed, they must follow the same approval path. Every change is documented to maintain transparency and accountability. If an employee leaves the company or changes roles, their access is promptly revoked. This helps prevent unauthorized access and mitigates security risks. Access level audits. We perform these quarterly audits to review access levels. Department managers verify and approve their team's access, ensuring that employees only have the permissions that are required. Additionally, we enforce the principle of least privilege, meaning users receive only the access necessary to fulfill their job functions. Our role-based access control system undergoes annual reviews. Any exceptions must be documented and approved at a senior level to prevent excessive permissions. Granting administrative privileges requires stringent approval. Justifications must be provided, and requests undergo a multi-layered review. Multi-factor authentication is mandatory for all privileged accounts, adding an extra layer of security. We utilize privileged access management systems to monitor and control administrative accounts. This system ensures that administrative access is only granted for a specific time and logs all privileged activities for audit purposes. Regular internal and external audits help us maintain compliance with industry standards, such as NIST, SOC 2, ISO 27001, etc. Audit logs are retained and reviewed periodically to ensure security policies are upheld. These logs provide an invaluable resource for tracking access changes and investigating any anomalies. In conclusion, our audit procedures ensure that access to corporate resources remains secure, monitored, and compliant. Through role-based access control, periodic audits, and strict administrative rights management, we strengthen our cybersecurity framework. Moving forward, we will continue refining our processes and maintaining a strong security posture.